Easy lift equipment drum haulers continue to be the most ergonomic solution for gripping, lifting, transporting, weighing, or dispensing drums since 1997. Seen here is our drum hauler with an SR strap rotator clamp. Drum haulers with lift, a strap rotator clamp, and side rotation feature two ratchet straps for handling a steel, plastic, or fiber drum from 12 to 24 inches in diameter, and can rotate 360 degrees either left or right for dispensing. Standard capacity is 800 pounds, but can be built to handle up to 1,200 pounds contingent on equipment configuration. Drum haulers are designed to work in tightly confined production areas and are completely counterbalanced, requiring no outriggers for stability, and are ideal for traveling over long distances. This clamp features a strap rotator plate, which is designed to mount two ratchet strap assemblies, thus allowing an operator to grip a drum. Drums must be removed from the pallet prior to securing two nylon ratchet straps around the container. The rotator plate is ideal for strapping in between the center ribs of a steel drum. Before operating any of our drum handling equipment, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. Prior to using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines, fittings, battery, and electrical cords to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. Standard base frames are 54 inches in length, but can be reduced to 31 3/4 inches depending on capacity and type of clamp. Single and two-stage masts are available to elevate a drum from 48 inches to 144 inches from the floor to the bottom of the drum. To power up the drum hauler, first rotate the red emergency switch clockwise to energize the unit, then turn the key to the on position, which will illuminate the 2-inch display. Prior to beginning, the operator should verify that all functions are in proper working order. This includes the lift and lower controls that are located on the top and bottom of the tiller handle. Drum haulers equipped with a rotation clamp include a magnetic-backed control box and a coiled cord to provide remote rotation functions both left and right. Operators must press the red safety switch to enable the rotation function. This helps prevent the accidental rotation of an unsecured load. The thumb control lever provides precise travel control at variable speeds, enabling safe, controlled movement even in tight operating areas. The ergonomic tiller handle is used to steer the drum hauler when the unit is in forward or reverse travel. Featured on the tiller handle is a reversing safety collision bumper. If the collision bumper contacts the operator when moving in reverse, the drum hauler will immediately stop and move forward to help prevent injury. The tiller handle also contains a turtle switch, which allows the drum hauler to be moved while the tiller handle is in a fully upright position, as well as offer a creep function for precise positioning. A horn button is also included on the tiller handle. To charge, ensure the drum hauler is turned off. Unplug the SB175 connector from your drum hauler and connect the charger cable to the battery. It is important to ensure that the charger is only connected to the battery and not to the drum hauler, as this could cause damage to the unit or charger. For intermittent charging, times generally range from 6 to 8 hours, whereas full charges require 10 to 12 hours. When fully charged, turn the drum hauler on. The drum hauler's large 24-volt industrial battery allows the machine to run continuously from 12 to up to 16 hours on a single charge. When approaching a drum, press the lift switch on the tiller handle up or down so the clamp strap rotator plate is in line with the vertical center of the drum or in between the two center ribs. Prior to fully approaching the drum, release and loosen the ratchet straps. Then disconnect the ratchet straps from the T-hooks of the rotator plate. Ensure that the straps are entirely out of the way prior to approaching the drum with the drum hauler. Move the drum hauler forward, ensuring the operator-facing side of the drum is making solid contact with the rotator plate of the SR clamp, raising or lowering as needed. Failure to ensure solid contact with the rotator plate can allow the drum to shift during transport or rotation. Once the drum is making solid contact with the rotator plate, pull the straps across the backside of the drum and connect the D-ring of the ratchet straps to the T-hooks of the rotator plate. Pull the straps through the ratchet mechanism to remove any excess slack. Then, tighten the ratchet straps by pumping the handles to take any remaining slack and increase the tension that holds the drum against the rotator plate. Only when both ratchet straps have been fully tightened is it then safe to lift the drum for transport. It is important to ensure that the bungs of your drum are in the appropriate orientation for an SR side rotation clamp. Ensure the bung holes are both parallel to the hydraulic line guard of your drum hauler. Here is an example of the bungs of your drum shown in an improper orientation for a side rotation clamp. In cases where drums are tightly nested on skids, a drum transporter will be required to remove a drum from the pallet prior to being able to secure the 2 nylon ratchet straps of the SR clamp around the drum. That process is seen here. With the drums nested tightly on a skid, it is not possible to maneuver the ratchet straps around the far side of the drum to securely strap them. Once the drum has been securely strapped to the SR clamp, only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting the drum to the required destination. Remove the drum's lid or open the bungs accordingly. To assist in safe operation, drum haulers starting in mid-2019 are equipped with a lift cutoff feature. The lift function will automatically cut off after every 6.8 second interval, which equates to approximately 24 inches of lift on a single-stage mast and approximately 30 inches of lift on a 2-stage mast. As soon as the lift switch is released, lift is immediately enabled and can be re-engaged quickly by the operator. Once raised and in place, rotate the drum left or right to begin dispensing. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. Once dispensing is complete, rotate the drum back into vertical position by pressing the rotate switch. Lower the drum and replace the lid or bungs accordingly. Popular additional options for this model include an electrically enclosed EE rating for hazardous areas, a battery rollout tray with conveyor stand for 3-shift operations. The battery stand is designed to hold 1 additional battery and provide the ability to quickly change a low-powered battery with a fully charged one. Drum haulers come standard with a safety orange powder coating for durability. They are also available with FDA-compliant metallic gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction for food or pharmaceutical applications. Optional scale systems are also available for intrinsically safe and non-intrinsically safe areas, thus permitting an operator to dispense the contents of drums by weight or perform inventory. Select indicators can be hardwired to printers or configured to wirelessly transmit to PLCs. Scale systems allow the operator to monitor the overall weight of the drum being dispensed, stopping when the operator reaches the desired drum weight. Once finished dispensing, ensure the bungs or lid have been closed accordingly. To release the drum from the SR clamp, first lower the drum and place it on the floor. Then, disengage the 2 ratchet strap mechanisms and pull them open to create slack in the straps. Detach the D-rings from the SR clamp T-hooks and move the straps out of the way. Drive the drum hauler back slightly and away from the drum. Secure the straps back onto the SR clamp and using the ratchets, remove all slack so that you are not dragging the straps around when the drum hauler is in forward or reverse travel. Dragging the straps around during travel could lead to the straps being run over by the drum hauler, thus causing damage to the ratchet straps, the SR clamp, or the drum hauler itself. When finished, you should always place your drum hauler in a safe location, lower and secure the straps of the SR clamp, and turn the unit off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.